What's up, y'all? I'm back. Last night didn't go as good as I thought it was gonna go with Rooster. He ran the track, he crossed the road, got about 600 yards out there, and just made a beeline back home. Well, not back home, but back to the truck. But he just went hunting right. Got a few things going on with him. I feel like allergies, something with the dog food. There's something not right with him, so I'm gonna take him to the vet today, y'all. So just stay tuned and we'll see what's going on. Day in the life of Coon Commander. My little squirrel dog I went and picked up. I call him Black Jimmy. I think that's what I'm gonna call him, Black Jimmy. But we go with Rooster. I don't know. It's like he really red, breaking out and stuff. Ears bothering him. I've been on top of the ear mice. I know it ain't ear mice. I don't know. He just old and beat up. So we're gonna take him and Larry Bird to the vet for their first time, and we're gonna go from there. Stay tuned. So we made it to the vet. Just got checked in. We're gonna go in, get some labs done, and I get you guys some more info. I'm in Winfield, Louisiana.
Sit me good. Just a couple more minutes.
That's all we were doing is just the abdominal health, correct? Yeah. This is, well, I mean, it had a blank screen when I walked in. Is yours working?
My computer, yeah.
The one in the middle is not.
It is. I'm going out all day.
Off from home, she think.
I mean, I wouldn't think you need to stay off hunting.
Okay.
Because we're just doing an antibiotic, steroid, and ear meds. Okay, so I'm going to draw you up 13 more days of injections. And you get it under the skin of the neck. Okay, and then this shot lasts a month. Okay. This is a steroid. And then ear medicine. And it's going to cost you $190, $125 for everything. That'll work? Okay, so we're going to give a big boy dose back here right now.
That's what I give every
13 more days. Yeah, and then just kind of rub it because it can make a knot. It's easier doing it under skin than it is doing it. It can go either or, but I would say give him under skin. Unless he gets to where he's hurting back here and gets knots or something, then you would need to go to the muscle. Okay. This one goes in the muscle though. You only gotta do like okay, boo. You only doing one of these. Now just get right there. All right, big boy. Do not treat his ears. That steroid will help his skin and ears. He can have another one in 30 days if he needs it.
Okay. How often I do this?
Every day for 10 days. Just 2 good squeezes in each ear.
So did he have ear mice or is just?
It's just inflammation from the allergy.
Okay.
Yeah. So this helps with that.
What's up, y'all? I'm back giving y'all an update on what was going on with my boy Rooster. Took him to the vet. They did a few little tests on him. The original test that they wanted to do was it's a test that skin allergies. It tests like everything, but it was $300. Well, I didn't have that type of money to spend at the time. I was just coming to do a regular vet, hoping I could get a little medicine and be out the door, but still they got me for $200, $191. But it seemed to be working. I took Rooster out and he did pretty good last night. But what was going on was, like 2 years ago, Rooster had a case of ear mites, and after I treated the ear mites turned into the yeast infection. The yeast infection, y'all, in a dog is like one of the hardest things to try to cure. So I just come up with little home remedies, peroxide, cotton swabs, and just keeping the ear dry, you know, because what causes the yeast is moisture. And this past week, Christmas Day, it was like 80 degrees outside. So the past week or two has been 70s. The highest has been is like 80, but it's been in 75s, 74s, 73. So it's been a lot of moisture and stuff on the ground. So I thought it was the dog food, then it was the heat. So it's just a combination of different things. So they gave him a steroid shot to help with his skin and his ears and the inflammation in his ears. And I'm giving him a shot daily for just like allergies, etc. So they told me to try that to see if it's worked, and which it seemed like it's working. And the ear drops that I'm putting in once a day, 2 drops in each ear. Seemed like it's working pretty good. So we're gonna try that. If things seem to get worse, then I'm gonna have to spend the $300 and get the test for everything done. So that's my update with you guys. I thank y'all for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe to my page. Make sure you tell a friend to tell a friend about me. And I'm gonna try to keep you guys updated. I'm thinking about going fishing later on. So I was just gonna say I went and got my shiners, my shads. Or I don't know what y'all call them where y'all from, but Louisiana, we call them shiners. So I got my shiners, and I think I'm gonna go chase me some crappie. I might go tonight. I might do some night fishing. I don't know. You never know what you're gonna get with me. I don't know. I might go creek hopping. I might load up the boat, hook the boat up, and take off. You never know about me. But down here in Louisiana, man, it's feeling good out here. I'm finna get into something, so keep y'all updated later. Stay tuned.